Here's how we can do the 40-yard dash in Madden NFL 26. So it is quite simple. All you have to do is press and hold both analog sticks before you start. You will have the countdown, and once the countdown is done, you want to release both buttons, and then you need to just keep pressing both left and right triggers, or L2 and R2 alternatively. So you need to just keep spamming them as quickly as possible. Before you cross the finish line, you will have the dig deep option, so you will have to press A on Xbox controller or X on PlayStation controller, and that's about it. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. As you can see, I don't have any knees, but that's just the game. So keep holding both of these buttons, and then we just need to keep spamming. Just keep doing that. Use the dig deep and keep spamming all the time. And that's pretty much it. So of course you can get better results than the one that I just made, but this is just an example. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.